We are pleased to show you the 2018 ILX. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find heated seats, electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows. 2. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
When purchasing an Acura certified pre-owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new Acura. The Acura dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name. Acura certified pre-owned. Once an Acura, always an Acura.